Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by making one sim ready and receptive. First, move both sims into the same household and build solid romance. High relationship points matter. Next, remove any birth control or anti-pregnancy buffs and place them in a private lot. Low stress boosts success. Then use the in-game romance menu and select Try for Baby with one sim initiating. If the option is unavailable, prepare the mod or cheat alternative and keep both sims in a positive mood. Once done, approach the more complex execution, timing and modifiers. Have the initiator enter a flirty or confident moodlet before trying to increase success odds. You can trigger this with interactions, objects, or potions. If vanilla options fail, visit a clinic or use fertility treatments, or apply a trusted mod such as MC Command Center to force pregnancy. Also make sure the interaction runs uninterrupted. Pause notifications and block other actions so the Try for Baby can finish by verifying pregnancy and knowing what to do if it fails. After you complete Try for Baby, check for pregnancy moodlets or the visible bump within 24 to 48 in-game hours and monitor the Somology panel. If it doesn't register, try again using a different mood or the other partner as initiator, or apply a pregnancy cheat/mod to force it. If things glitch, reset the sims, reload a backup save, and temporarily disable mods that might conflict before repeating the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.